Ciasteczka Z Makiem. Polish poppy seed cookies. A dessert from Poland. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. Place eggs and water to cover in a medium saucepan. Bring water to a boil, remove from heat and let cool. Peel eggs and remove yolks. Crumble yolks and set aside. Step 2. Beat together until creamy butter or margarine, sugar and vanilla extract. To this, add raw egg yolks and crumbled hard-boiled egg yolks and mix well. Gradually add flour and salt. Step 3. Chill dough in refrigerator. Using small amounts of dough, roll out to 1/4 inch thickness. Cut into 2-inch round shapes and place on greased cookie sheet. Step 4. Beat together 1 egg white and 1 tablespoon of water. Brush tops of cookies with egg white glaze and sprinkle with poppy seeds. Step 5. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes until lightly browned. Country reports, culture, countries, travel.